Even though this ship is actually still not showing a certain size, unfortunately this camera cannot zoom any closer, but finally capturing a cruise ship during the day, passing on the ocean, distant away. But we almost still looking like a cloud. I guess the only thing I can use to tell that is a cruise ship is that it is moving and it's about to disappear behind the mountain. And see that one just about disappearing behind the mountain. And there's another one behind this one coming around. So let's see how quickly the other one will come down in the larger open space. Okay, still waiting to see if this other ship or how long it will take for this other ship to come around from behind the mountain. But I just captured one passing on the ocean there. I saw another one coming down what gone behind the mountains. So still waiting to see if I can see that one. So I actually captured two in one day. So let's see. Well, I have waited for almost 2 hours for this other vessel to come around and only to realize that it is a small vessel, not looking like a cruise ship, and it is so small and gets so easy getting closer to well, tonight actually we are having the sun setting, that the vessel is right there but can hardly be seen, even on full view or full zoom rather. Yeah, so I'm on top of my what is now roof, will one day be the floor of this other level. But I mentioned here already that because of the amount of trees that grow up in this area so tall, I'm unable to see the sunset from a roof at the moment. But there we are, having another beautiful sunset. Yeah. So not able to capture that other vessel because it gets so hazy and the vessel is so small. So even with full zoom, you can hardly identify. So maybe another day we may get another one clearer. So until then, take care of my family and see you in the next one. God bless.